Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use your OTC card at Walmart. Whether you're shopping in-store or online, the process is simple once you know which items qualify. Start by looking for products that are eligible under your OTC benefit. These commonly include vitamins, cold and flu medicine, first aid supplies, pain relief products, and certain personal care items. You can check the product packaging for OTC eligibility or browse eligible products on Walmart's website before you shop. Once you've found the approved items, add them to your cart just like you normally would. You can complete your purchase at a Walmart store or place an order online through walmart.com if your plan allows online purchases. When you're ready to pay, use your OTC card at checkout. In store, simply swipe, insert, or tap the card if it's supported. For online orders, enter your OTC card information during the payment step. If all of the items in your cart are eligible, the cost will be deducted from your available OTC balance. If your purchase is more than your remaining balance or includes items that aren't covered, you'll need to pay the remaining amount using another payment method. After your purchase is complete, don't forget to keep your receipt. It can be useful for tracking your OTC spending or verifying your purchases later if needed. And that's how you can use your OTC card at Walmart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.